Class 2, Subject Maths, Lecture number 9, and our today's topic is money sum. Our today's topic is money sum. So girls, before starting the work, draw the margin line, write date and day, and give the heading money sum, and you have to underline it. Okay. Now girls, I have written a question for you. It's a problem sum, word problem. I had rupees 200. I bought a pen for rupees 75 and a ball for rupees 110. How much have I left? Now girls, keep it in your mind that in the end we have left. It means it's a subtraction sum. But in this sum we have two steps. Okay. I'm reading again. I had rupees 200. It means total amount is rupees 200. I bought a pen for rupees 75 and a ball for rupees 110. So a pen and a ball. So it's a minus sum. So it's not possible to minus these two numbers direct from this to 100. So what we will do? Our first step. Give heading first step like this, underline it. Now what we will do, first we add both the numbers, because I bought a pen for rupees 75 and a ball for 110 rupees. So we will add both these two number, then it will be easy to minus that number from 200. So our first step, give heading first step, underline it, and then write, leave two blocks, 1 2, right here 75 like this, and 75 rupees 75. So over here you have to write rupees dot 75. Okay, then we have ball for rupees 110. So right here 110 rupees 110. Okay, write place value in the top, 1 10 100. Like this. Okay, now first we will add this. So for addition, which sign we put? Plus sign, like this. Okay, so our first step is to separate the ones. Leave one block, heading 1 is 5 plus 0. So 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0, 5. Now write this 5 under 1. How? Next step, separate the tens. Leave one block, separate the tens. Write T. 7 plus 1. What is the answer? 7 plus 1? 8. Yes. Now third step, leave one block, separate the 100. Over here we have no number, so no need to write anything over here. Then 1. So 1. Nothing plus 1. 1. Write this 1 under. Sorry, first write 8 over here under 10. How? This one under 100. How? So what is the answer? Rupees 185. Rupees 185. Okay, we have add both the numbers. 75, rupees 75 and rupees 110 we have added in first step. Now it's very easy to subtract this amount from total amount. Okay, now leave one line, give heading second step. Okay, give heading second step. Now underline the heading second step. Total amount is rupees 200, okay, minus this total amount 185, rupees 185, like this, okay. Place value and this, okay. From total amount we will subtract this amount, okay. Then we come to know that how much have I left. Same over here, leave one block, separate the ones. This 0 minus 5. Now, is it possible to minus this 5 from 0? No. So what we will do, we will take, yes, 1 from 10 side. You can see that over here in 10th house we have 0 again. So we will take from 100 side. Cut this 2, give 1 to 10th house. How many left over here? 1. Now it is 10. Now it is possible to give 1 to 1th house. So cut this 10, give 1. How many left? 9 left. Okay. Now make it 10 over here. 10 minus 5. 5. Write this 5 under 1's house. Second step. Leave one block. Separate the tens. This 9 minus this 8. 9 minus 8. 1. Write this 1 under tens house. Leave one block. Separate the 100. This 1 minus this 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So over here 0. So rupees 15. Rupees 15. Now leave one line and you have to write the statement, I have left rupees 15. Okay, once again I'll tell you, over here in the statement we have, I had rupees 200 rupees, total amount is 200. I bought a pen for rupees 75 and a ball for rupees 110. How much have I left? As you know that if we have left in the end, so it means this is a subtraction sum, but it's a tricky sum. You have to add both these numbers, then you have to subtract that answer from the total amount. Okay, so first step, we have to add both these numbers, rupees 75 and 110. So what is the answer? Rupees 185. Second step, now second step is you have to subtract this answer from the total number, total amount. Okay, total amount is rupees 200. So we subtract 185 from 200. So how much have left? I have left rupees 15. Okay. Now girls, after completing one sum, you have to leave one block and draw full finishing line. Okay. Now girls, question number 2, you have to do this sum by yourself. I read it for you. I had rupees 500. I bought a book for rupees 135 and a ruler for rupees 28. How much have I left? Now you have to do this sum with both these two steps. Okay, and you need math copies. Thank you.